Area for viewing output in Spyder. The portion of the window in which we will be able to view program output in Spyder is called the Ipython Console. Ipython Console stands for Interactive Python Console. It is referred to as being interactive because of the fact that it allows you to code Python in it and execute or run it from the same area. You may issue several commands input in this interactive console and view output in the same area. Try typing print hello world and then press enter. Our first Python program. Next, I would like you to open a new file and in any line of your choice begin typing print hello world. Now, save the file as helloworld.py. For this tutorial, I have created a new folder on my desktop and named it Spyder Python Scripts. I am mentioning this because you may do the same on your PC to have all your scripts stored in a single convenient space. Next, run the script in Spyder by clicking on the green play button. The Spyder File Explorer for directories and subdirectories. The File Explorer pane is the portion of the Spyder window in which you will see all the Python scripts that are in the same directory as the one you are working in. The File Explorer allows you to open Python files to view and edit source code. Notice that when we ran our helloworld.py program, the Spyder File Explorer automatically navigated to the directory in which it is stored on our computer. Output of the helloworld.py program. The output of our first Python program will be seen in the Ipython console as can be seen in the image on the left. The output is text which says, "Hello world." If you are completely new to Python, well done, as this is the first line of Python code that you have written. If you have done Python before and are following along for educational purposes, well done to you as well. Let's keep going.